Bunch of it?
They need to split though.
Oh. How big are they?
If you feel like walking down there, we could bring a couple of them up here. We didn't bring one of those little
wedges.
Yeah. We didn't bring one of those. We're going to have to remember to put that in there. But they're cut to this big.
Wow, you've got a nice camp. But you don't have the tent up.
Yeah, I'm starting to put that up now.
Oh. Okay.